Just figured I'd get out, show everybody how lucky I am. I didn't completely lose my boat. I had it tied up on up here. The river got up and took it on down a little bit. Right below this big tree here. The river's normally a lot farther down. Still up probably 4 or 5 foot where it normally sits. We have it down here. It's sitting probably right there, just on the bank. Up out of the water completely. The water's still up. It would have been touching it still if it was here. But right there. And the river's got up. Took it on down. You can kind of see it down there. River's come back down enough to where you can see it. Zoom. Hopefully I don't wind up falling in. Another lost soul. So many lost souls in this river. People are to start putting their names on their shoes. A couple more lost souls. If it wasn't so cold, you'd probably catch a big cat right there. There's my boat. And there's that big old crooked tree I was talking about. That water was easily up to that line right there. It normally gets up in the yard when it's real big. This place up there, you can barely see it.